students come to the summer camp, they take all the electronics and hardware and they team up with the team and they start building, different types of robots. For example, they will start with a line follower robot, they will start with a obstacle avoidance robot. So these robots are very small miniature robots and students will be learning on the top of it. Robotics enables the kid to be creative, innovative. Robotics teaches you problem solving, teamwork, perseverance. It builds resilience among the young minds. Robotics is fun. Hi parents and educators. Are you wondering why robotics is becoming one of the most in-demand skill for our students and why every student should and must learn robotics? Robotics is not about technology. Let's understand why the world is speaking about robotics, and today everyone must and should learn robotics. Why? Let's break out it. So I'll just take you to the technology, what you are understanding. Every parent and every educator, they understand robotics is all about technology. Students have to do something with electronics, something with coding, something mechanical science. No, robotics doesn't teach only technology. Robotics is beyond technology. It enhances, it improves, it builds the future skills among our young minds. How? Robotics enables the kid to be creative, innovative. Robotics teaches you problem solving, teamwork, perseverance. It builds resilience among the young minds. Robotics is fun. So this is what I say. Robotics is a future ready skills and it will make your kids future ready. And today you talk about healthcare to aerospace. Today you talk about agriculture to nuclear reactor or defense. Everywhere, medicines, everywhere, robots are used. All the businesses and every organization are using robotics, be it a hospitality industry, be it any industry in this world, for the precision, for the medical operations. So our students will get into certain profession, and whatever the profession they go, robotics will be there. So robotics opens door, to multiple professions and multiple career opportunity. Robotics is a combination of multiple technologies. That's what I want to say. Robotics is a multidisciplinary skill sets. So robotics, if you are mastering, then you are learning all the departments. So overall, I want to conclude what is important. In robotics, students enable to build a robot, having a mechanical design, having an electrical layout, then putting coding together using sensor. So this is something, building a product. So when we talk about robotics in our summer camp, what we do? Students come to the summer camp, they take all the electronics and hardware and they team up with the team and they start building, different types of robots. For example, they will start with a line follower robot, they will start with a obstacle avoidance robot. So these robots are very small miniature robots and students will be learning on the top of it. But if you look at the case study, these robots can go to the industry and these robots can become a product end of the day. So we are talking about, if we are talking about innovation and entrepreneurship, robotics is one of the subject through which we can teach innovation and entrepreneurs to the young minds. And that's what I say, every student must and should learn robotics because the future is robotics.